New cars coming on the horizon 2023. Specifications, prices. Part 2. 11. Land Rover Range Rover. The next generation 2022 Land Rover Range Rover continues its legacy of a regal, ultra-luxury SUV that pushes boundaries with new tech and an elegant design. The Range Rover will be offered in 4, 5, and 7-seat configurations, marking the first time it has been available with a third row. It comes as either a mild hybrid inline-6 and a twin-turbocharged V8, or a plug-in hybrid with an estimated 48-mile electric-only range, and a full electric version will follow. An all-wheel steering system is standard, which can add stability at speed, and promises the tightest turning circle of any Land Rover. Special SV versions add further opulence. Cost: $93,800 to $215,200. On sale now. 12. Land Rover Range Rover Sport. This redesigned luxury mid-sized SUV follows the trail blazed by the larger Range Rover, with a variety of powertrains, including a hybrid, premium amenities, and ultra-smooth styling. The Range Rover Sport launches with 2 inline turbocharged 6-cylinder engines that use a mild hybrid setup, a plug-in hybrid based on that same engine, with a claimed 48-mile electric-only range, and a twin-turbo V8. All use an 8-speed automatic transmission. An all-electric version joins the lineup for 2024. Within the minimalist interior are numerous available features to pamper, such as massaging seats, a premium audio system, and sophisticated noise cancellation. Cost: $83,000. $121,500. On sale fall 2022. 13. Lexus RX. Similar to the smaller redesigned NX, the 2023 redesigned RX will offer 4 new powertrains that use turbocharging or hybridization, or employ both technologies. 3 of the engines will be available at launch, with a plug-in hybrid version arriving at a later date. A 275 HP, 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine replaced the V6. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. 2 hybrid versions are available. A 246 HP, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid is mated to a continuously variable transmission, and a 367 HP, 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. The infotainment system uses touchscreen-based controls for almost every audio, climate, and navigation feature. There are some hard controls. The RX features the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. Cost: $47,000. $67,000 estimated. On sale late fall 2022. 14. Maserati Grecale. Named for a Mediterranean wind, the Grecale is sized between its Stellantis cousin, the Alfa Romeo Stelvio, and the Maserati Levante. This makes it a little larger than the traditional small luxury SUV, but it may be the combination of elegance and performance that most distinguishes it. There are 3 trims: GT, Medina, and Trofeo, and powertrains initially, with 296 HP and 325 HP 4-cylinder engines, and a 523 HP turbo V6. The cabin is decidedly modern, Being dominated by screens, even the center dash timepiece is more like a smartwatch than a chronograph. Cost: $60,000. $100,000 estimated. On sale fall 2022, with a full electric version to follow in late 2023. 15. Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV. The EQS SUV takes all the opulence and engineering marvel long associated with the Mercedes-Benz EQS sedan, and applies these concepts to a large, 3-row electric SUV. It comes standard in a rear drive, 1-motor configuration, with the 4MATIC upgrade granting it all-wheel and 2 motors. Both configurations have a 9.6 kilowatts onboard charger and use a 107.8 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery. They are compatible with maximum DC charging output of 200 kilowatts. The MBUX Hyperscreen, optional on base. Standard on 580, 4MATIC, places 3 screens below a shared glass cover that spans almost the width of the vehicle. The EQS SUV boasts a full complement of active safety features, with many touting added sophistication above the norm. Cost: $45,950 to $58,950. On sale fall 2022. 16. Mercedes-Benz GLC. The redesigned GLC looks largely the same as its predecessor, but comes with a number of key technological updates. Among them are wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay functionality, and an improved suite of standard active safety features and optional driver assistance features. Matching it with the rest of Mercedes line, it also gets a voice-activated infotainment system that responds to "Hey, Mercedes," and an augmented video navigation system that superimposes navigational directions and pictures of the real world taken from the car's exterior cameras onto the NAV maps. The new GLC is also a tad longer than the last one, which Mercedes says increases passenger room and cargo capacity. FCW, AEB with pedestrian detection, and BSW are standard. Cost: $45,000 to $55,000 estimated. On sale spring 2023. 17. Nissan Ariya. Nissan's first dedicated electric SUV. Comes with 2 powertrain options. A front-wheel drive 238 HP single motor and an all-wheel drive 389 HP dual motor configuration. Each uses an 87 kilowatt-hour battery, with estimated ranges of up to 300 miles for the FWD and 265 miles for the AWD version. The Ariya can be equipped with ProPilot Assist 2.0, which uses driver monitoring for hands-free highway operation. At 183 inches long, the 2-row 5-passenger model is similar in size to the Nissan Rogue compact SUV. Cost: $45,950 to $58,950. On sale fall 2022. 18. Nissan Z. The all-new 2023 Nissan Z sports car has the classic long, sloped hood and wide rear flanks that evoke the early versions of this storied nameplate. The rear drive Z has a 400 HP, 3.0-liter turbocharged twin-turbo V6, marking a significant 50-plus HP increase over the previous 370z's output. That fiery powerplant can be paired with a choice of 6-speed manual or 9-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. Nissan is keeping it simple by making the available active safety features standard on all trims. Cost: $30,090 to $47,190. On sale Fall 2022. Toyota Crown. The 2023 Toyota Crown replaces the big Avalon sedan with a model that sits higher than a sedan but lower than an SUV, and has a swoopy roofline at the back. It comes exclusively as a hybrid. Most versions will use a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid that is paired with an electronic CVT and gets a manufacturer-estimated 38 mpg combined. A 340 HP, 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder hybrid paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission is used. In the top version, all-wheel drive is standard. The 5-passenger interior features 12.5-inch screens for both the instrument cluster and the infotainment system. Despite its sleek hatchback looks, the Crown features a trunk. All versions get standard FCW, AEB with pedestrian, cyclist, and motorcyclist detection, BSW, RCTW, and lane centering assistance. Cost: $38,000 to $45,000 estimated. On sale late 2022. Toyota Sequoia. The redesigned Sequoia SUV uses a fresh platform shared with the Tundra and Lexus LX. This full-sized, 3-row SUV has a smooth and punchy 437 HP, 3.5-liter turbocharged hybrid V6 engine with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The large SUV can be configured in rear or four-wheel drive, but unlike its peers, it lacks an auto 4WD mode. It forgoes the previous Sequoia's independent rear suspension to the detriment of third-row seat roominess. Maximum tow capacity is 9,000 pounds. A new premium capstone grade allows the Sequoia to cover for the departed Land Cruiser. A TRD off-road package is available on the SR5 and limited trims, equipping the SUV for more off-road capability. The cockpit is essentially a carryover from the redesigned Tundra. Top trims use a large 14-inch infotainment display. Cost: $50,500. $69,775. On sale Summer 2022. Thank you for watching the video. Welcome to our channel. We receive suggestions via comments on YouTube.